Hello folks, it's Flying Jake, and again we have some storms going through the Plattsmouth area. I recommend one of these for everybody. I gotta talk about this. I didn't know that it was this, fancy, but I have a weather radio. Many thanks to the fire department for bringing this to me. It's pretty cool. These have built-in alarms on them that if there's a tornado or anything, this sucker goes off, and it's pretty loud. It woke me up one night. But you can catch the weather reports by hitting this bar right here. Just
diameter, a few strong tornadoes and thunderstorm winds up to 70 miles per hour. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. Severe weather is again possible Sunday afternoon into evening in parts of southeast Nebraska and southwest Iowa. Hail up to quarter size and thunderstorm winds up to 60 miles per hour are the main expected hazards include. But an isolated tornado couldn't be ruled out as well.
so, yeah, weather radios are a good thing to have. They got me this one because I voiced my opinion at a meeting of how it's very difficult to hear the sirens from inside the apartments here. Well, they told me that these sirens are to be outdoor warning sirens only, and so they recommended a weather radio. So one of the guys at the fire department brought this radio to me. So I'd like to give a shout out to the Plattsmouth Fire Department for that was really cool. So I don't know if you can see anything out there. I got the phone sitting there's a groove in my window, and the phone's sitting there. But yeah, just keeping track of the weather here, because it can change in an instant. It may be calm out there, but then something just brews up, and it's this is Tornado Alley, and so you got to be on the lookout for these types of things on a yearly basis. But I do recommend everybody get a weather radio. They're a great thing to have, especially now that we do have these sissy horns, as I call them. These sirens that are not as loud as a 2T22. Shoot.